The moment I arrived on campus, I felt like it was home.
You're not just a number. Your professor knows who you are and wants you to succeed.
These people, pushed me to be the best me I could possibly be.
You become a part of something when you come to Hartwick. It's a true community.
They were helping us every step of the way that they could. And with the scholarship that I received, it's pretty much like going to a state school, the same price.
There's so many things to do on campus.
The Anthropology Club, Sigma Tau Delta,
Slopes Club, Clay Club,
Guiding Eyes to the Blinds, Orchesis, the Dance Club.
Oh, I'm an AOPI.
The experiences that happen here at Hartwick are really priceless.
You are challenged to find the best version of yourself and pursue it.
Hartwick College is transformative.
Hartwick is inspiring.
Hartwick is relationships.
I have one, but it's so cheesy. Hartwick is home.